What up mga solid subscribers to ngayon guys, no? Another video po ulit tayo, no? So shoutout ko ulit kay I'm Pop Price. Napakasolid po na I'm Pop Price. So isa sa pinapanoorin natin nyo sa contents about sa ating mahalima, mga updates or what, no? Nakakatuwa lang guys na ito, naging active na po at ulit ang ating mahalima, no? So ayun, abangan natin yung mga updates sa ating mahalima, no? And don't forget to subscribe kay I'm Pop Price, no? And yun, regarding sa mga updates po ng ating mahalima kay I'm Pop Price yan, no? So ayun guys, ni-record ko to, syempre gusto ko lang din makita or gusto ko lang din makapagsabi ako ng insights regarding sa ating mahalima, sa mga ganap, no? And syempre, first time ko pa lang talaga ito papanoorin, no? Ayoko kasi panoorin to ng stage na, no? Alam niyo yun, no? Gusto ko yung raw, pinaka-raw, and yung pinaka gusto ko talagang sabihin, no? Hindi yung ni-research ko pa talaga as in, no? And ayun, I mean, hindi na sina-research, pero kumbaga yung kunyari, nalaman ko na ganito, may nangyari sa ating mahalima, kunyari, nag-perform sila sa ano ba? Kunyari ito, nag-perform sila sa China, tapos may ginawa silang ganito, and then na-search ko, ito nga to, parang ayoko yung gano'n, no? Gusto ko yung kung ano po talaga yung raw na reactions ko. Nagiging gano'n din ako guys, alam niyo yan, yung mga nagiging informative ako, pero ginagawa ko siya talaga ng ano, na parang hindi yung ganitong reaction video, no? More on ano ko yung mga document ko talaga yung more on editing stuffs talaga, no? So ayun lang guys, i-channel ko lang. So yun, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Terry Zhang played SB19 Moonlight at a music festival in China. Definitely the crowd went wild. In a video shared online, he proudly introduces SB19 to the crowd and promoted their new song Moonlight, which will be released on May 3rd.
我今天想在这里放一首我还没有发行的新歌给你们听，好不好？这首歌是我和菲律宾的一个男团叫做 SB19， 还有 ENH 合作的新歌叫做 Moonlight， 然后它会在5月3号全球发行，然后你们是第一个听到它的人，然后我还从来没有放过给任何人一个人听。
Sisigaw sila, alam nila guys, SB19.
And from a fan cam shared by Asian Net
Guys, na-excite na ako as in.
Twitter, it was said that Terry Zhang performed Moonlight in Storm Festival in China, and just a spoiler, we can hear a minute-long teaser of the song.
Ang ganda guys!
So what can you say? Well, this is definitely a good thing. SB19 collaboration with Terry Zhang will definitely help them widen their audience. And we got a feeling that this is all part of a bigger plan. For SB19 to release such kind of vibe of music tells us one thing. It feels like they are preparing for something big. But we don't want to spoil it. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.
Excited na ka guys! May 3 tomorrow guys, no? Ay! Ewan, kailan ko ma-release tong video na to, no? Ay! Guys, yung, alam mo, bukod sa syempre na mapakinggan natin yung pinaka-music nito, no? Yung pinaka-full music nito, pinaka-full na audio nito, no? Mas excited talaga ako sobra is yung choreography nito, kung anong ihahain ng ating mahalima, no? Gusto ko syempre makita po talaga yung ating mahalima na i-perform to live or kahit dance practice guys, na yung full performance nung ginawa nila, no? Excited na ako. I'm sure guys, hindi lang ako excited. I think kayo din po talaga sobrang excited na rin, no? So, ayun. Sabog na yung utak ko. Gusto ko talaga makita yung full choreography nun. Let's go, no? So, ito, meron pang isa guys, no? Let's go.
Aside from their songs and their skill in performing live on stage, one of the things fans love about the group SB19 is their natural and adept way of answering interviews. Ever since the group first started, they have faced questions that are difficult to answer for a normal individual. Take for instance their first appearance in the presscon for Go Up Promotions, which until now can be considered one of the toughest interviews the group has undergone.
Ano ba yan, Sted? Ano ba yung ayos mo?
tayo naman! Pwede ba skip? Hindi, sige, tuloy natin.
Yan o ano? So lahat kayo straight? Opo.
Nevertheless, they maintain their
Balik ko kaya sa kanya, no? Ikaw ba, straight ka?
professionalism, despite questions that could potentially shake one's confidence. This is one of the reasons why fans' support for SB19 is incredibly strong. They know the hardships the group has gone through to achieve the success they enjoy today. Now, fans on the internet are talking about the group's latest interview.
Ngayon, sikat na sikat kayo, di ba? Dahil sa inyong kagalingan din. Ngayon, anong ginagawa niyo sa mga kabataan ngayon na marami naghihirap sa Pilipinas para makatulong sa kanila? Bukod sa binibigyan sila ng inspirasyon.
Where it seems that there are questions that are out of place or not suitable for the group. A fan commented, "Thank you for this, but hopefully next time, the questions are relevant to the artist's work being interviewed. For example, if you're interviewing performers, ask about the preparations needed for the performance they are promoting. If they are actors, ask about the film." This line of questioning sounds like you're interviewing politicians, which these boys are not. Another fan said that the questions were good, but they were not delivered properly. However, despite this, the group once again impressed their fans with the beauty and quickness of their answers. According to Josh, aside from inspiring others, they also provide assistance through charity projects. Often, the awards they receive are also given to charity. He added that with the help of their fans, for every celebration of their birthdays, they organize charity drives for those in need. Stell also emphasized that as artists and musicians, one of their goals is to be a...
Kasi guys, may nakikita ko yung mga nakikita ko guys na ayoko na i-screenshot kasi I'm pretty sure bobombahin nyo. May nakikita ko guys like magko-comment like sa mga merch or pag may reaction video ko tapos yung mga merch mga ganun SB19 or mga ganito. May nakikita ko guys nagsasabi ang mahal naman blah 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 or ganito, bakit ganyan yung presyo or what no. Eto tingnan nyo to guys, tingnan nyo to.
Also given to charity. He added that with the help of their fans, for every celebration of their birthdays.
Yan no, di ba? Sa charity guys, sa charity po napupunta. Buti sana guys kung napupunta ito sa, alam niyo na, sa mga masamang kamay no. Hindi guys, ito dito pa lang oh, charity. 4 yan guys, so 4 tama ba? Ayun no. Colin nga anto. Colin nga donation drive. Yan. Help a found friend, no? I think ito is sa mga animals to guys, no? So, okay din guys, no? As in, hindi lang po sa mga tao mismo talagang kahit sa mga animals guys, tumutulong ating mahalima, no?
Organized charity drives for those in need.
No? Diba?
Stell also
Kaya guys, wag na kayo maging basher. Suporta na lang kayo. Although, actually guys, yung mga nirelease naman nilang merch or kung ano man, no? Quality rin naman kasi guys, no? Hindi naman siya pucho-puchong merch, no? Hindi siya yung to the point na kunyari lang guys, kunyari mag-release sila ng 5,000. Kunyari lang, wala akong sinasabing ganitong merch na. Kunyari mag-release sila ng 5,000 na merch, no? Na kunyari mug. Tapos biglang mabibili mo lang pala yung sa Divisoria 50 pesos, no? Tapos nagdala lang yung pangalan SB19 kunyari ganun, no? Walang ganun guys. Talagang quality po talaga yung nire-release nila. Kung ano po yung binigay nyo is kung ano po yung pinakita nilang pressure, kung ano po yung ano niyan, yun din po yung quality niyan, maniwala kayo sa akin, no? Hindi nila kayang lokohin ng fans, no? So, at saka yung mga yan, napupunta rin naman po sa charity yung kinikita nila. Although, alam natin, guys, maging bukas tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Alam natin na napupunta rin sa kanila, may napupunta rin sa kanila. Pero, kailangan nila yun eh. Kasi syempre, ano yun, magpapakapagod lang sila para po sa wala. Alam mo yun? Pero tuloy na ito muna. Mamaya ko yun na ituloy yan.
That as artists and musicians, one of their goals is to be a good example and to be a voice for the youth. Ken, on the other hand, praised their fans. According to him, he admires their fans because they themselves take the initiative and find ways to help others. This interview serves as evidence that from then until now, the group continues to excel in answering interviews. Because of this, the steadfast
actually guys, napaka-professional na sumagot kasi kahit before pa.
As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more updates.
So ayun guys, no, balik tayo dun sa sinabi ko kanina, no. Hindi naman napupunta sa wala eh, no. Although alam natin na may napupunta sa kanila, no. May napunta talaga sa kanila, no. Pero alam mo yun, ano yun, nagpe-perform sila, nagpapakapagod sila, ano yun, charity, no, parang ganun, no, para sa sarili nila, pinapagod nila yung sarili nila, tapos wala lang, no. Talagang kasama sa business po talaga yung ganyan, guys, no. And yun na po, yung kanina nga, is napupunta rin sa charity po talaga yan, sa kung ano man, sa mga gandang kamay, sa concert, sa music videos nila. Sipin nyo, guys, yung mga binibili na sa merch nila, sa mga tickets or what, napupunta po yan sa merch, napupunta po yan sa charity, sa merch, napupunta po yan sa music videos, napupunta po yan sa wardrobes, napupunta po yan sa mga staffs, napupunta po yan sa mga director, napupunta po yan sa mga, ayan, sa, ano pa ba, basta sa lahat, marami pa guys, napakarami guys, as in, napakarami na dadaanan yan, no? And isipin mo na lang, yung mapupunta rin sa ating mahal lima, no? So, ayun guys, wag po tayong manghinayang, wag mo nating i-down, no? Kasi, alam mo yun, hindi ko alam ba't may mga ganyang utak minsan. Nakakainis lang, no? Ayoko na lang i-screenshot or what, kasi, alam ko babombahin niyo sila. So, ayun lang, no? Basta supportahan natin yung ating mahal lima. Despite na kung ano man yung i-release nila, alam natin na in good hands po ang ating ibibigay or isusuporta natin sa kanila. So, ayun lang guys. Yun ha. Maraming salamat po ulit sa update. I'm Papray. So, ayun lang guys. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to DC Point of View. Peace, let's see.